Pizza Doctor here. So sometimes you'll run into a situation and it's good to know what to do, particularly if you have a party coming up and you need to make that pizza. Here we see a pizza that I've had in the refrigerator for now 4 days, and it is what we would call overproofed. So essentially what's happened is it's flattened out and the structure is no longer there, so it would make it very difficult to use to make a good pizza. So what we're going to do is we're going to reform the ball of dough in a way that will make it usable to make that pizza. And I'm going to show you that here in a second. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of flour and sprinkle it liberally on our, but it's pretty flat. We're just going to gather it up. And we're just going to reform it like this. Just fold the edges in and pinch the bottom. If you want, you can give it one of these so that the friction from the bench top will bring that together. Just going to pinch out these little bubbles that had formed here. Actually, I'm going to try to bring this a little bit more, a little tighter. You can see that bottom pinched up like that. And then we're just going to place that back in here. There's a little bit of dough still on the bottom there.
Non chiudrai farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando a riposo, narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando a riposo, narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far bacco, grande stacchi stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, muso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango una marcia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombarde e di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar.